Creative wooden wall clocks, unique handmade clock designs. Timekeeping has been an essential part of human life for centuries. But a clock is much more than just a device for telling time. It can be a statement piece, a conversation starter, and a work of art. Among the many types of clocks available today, wooden wall clocks stand out for their natural beauty, craftsmanship, and timeless appeal. A handcrafted wooden clock brings warmth, character, and elegance to any interior, making it more than just a functional object. It becomes an expression of style and creativity. Wooden wall clocks come in a wide variety of designs, from rustic farmhouse styles to sleek modern creations. Unlike plastic or metal clocks, wood offers a unique blend of organic beauty and durability. The grain, texture, and color variations of wood make every clock a one-of-a-kind piece. Whether crafted from reclaimed wood, exotic hardwoods, or even layered plywood, wooden clocks bring a natural and artistic touch to any space. One of the most fascinating aspects of wooden wall clocks is the way they are designed. Some artisans focus on minimalism, creating clocks with simple, clean lines and natural finishes. These clocks are perfect for modern and Scandinavian-style interiors, where simplicity and functionality are key. A sleek wooden clock with engraved numbers or subtle hand-painted markings can blend seamlessly into a minimalist setting, providing a balance of sophistication and warmth. On the other end of the spectrum, some wooden clocks feature intricate carvings, laser-cut designs, or three-dimensional layered elements. These artistic clocks transform an ordinary timepiece into a decorative masterpiece. Imagine a clock with an intricately carved foracine, a delicate mandala pattern, or a geometric latticework that casts beautiful shadows on the wall. These designs add depth and detail, making the clock not just a practical item, but also a visually stunning focal point in any room. Another popular style of wooden wall clocks incorporates mixed materials. Wood pairs beautifully with metal, glass, and resin, creating unique contrasts that enhance the clock's overall aesthetic. A wooden clock with metal hands and Roman numerals can create a vintage industrial look, while a design featuring wood and resin can have a more contemporary and artistic appeal. Some artisans even incorporate glow-in-the-dark resin into wooden clock designs, allowing the numbers and hands to softly illuminate at night, making them both functional and captivating. For those who love a rustic and farmhouse aesthetic, distressed wood clocks or reclaimed barnwood designs are an excellent choice. These clocks often have a weathered vintage look, with faded paint, hand-carved details, or metal hardware that give them a charming old-world feel. Oversized wooden clocks with bold numbers and rough-hewn edges make a strong statement in living rooms, dining areas, or even outdoor patios. They evoke a sense of nostalgia while adding warmth and texture to the decor. In contrast, modern and abstract wooden clock designs take a more unconventional approach. Instead of traditional round or square shapes, some designs feature asymmetrical or fragmented patterns that break away from the typical clock format. Floating wooden panels, spiraling designs, or minimalist block arrangements turn the concept of a clock into an abstract art piece. These modern creations often forego traditional numbers, using simple dots, dashes, or even empty spaces to indicate the hours, allowing the beauty of the wood itself to shine through. One of the most innovative trends in wooden clock design is the use of laser cutting technology. With precision cutting, artisans can create incredibly detailed patterns that would be nearly impossible to carve by hand. This allows for delicate filigree, lace-like designs, and even personalized engravings. Custom-made wooden clocks with names, inspirational quotes, or meaningful dates carved into them make for memorable gifts and cherished keepsakes. Another fascinating aspect of wooden wall clocks is their connection to sustainability. Many artisans and designers prioritize eco-friendly practices by using reclaimed or sustainably sourced wood. This not only reduces environmental impact, but also adds character to the piece, as reclaimed wood often carries a history. Whether it's salvaged from an old building, repurposed from antique furniture, or upcycled from scrap materials. Choosing a wooden clock made from recycled wood is not just a stylish decision, but also an environmentally conscious one. Beyond aesthetics and sustainability, wooden wall clocks also have a warm and inviting presence in a space. Unlike cold metal or plastic clocks, wood has an organic, tactile quality that makes a home feel more welcoming. It complements other natural elements in the decor, such as wooden furniture, woven textiles, or indoor plants, creating a harmonious and cohesive interior. A well-placed wooden clock can anchor a wall, drawing attention and adding personality to the space. For those who appreciate the art of woodworking, handmade wooden clocks are a testament to skill and craftsmanship. Whether crafted using traditional hand tools or modern CNC techniques, each clock reflects the dedication and expertise of the maker. Some clocks are entirely hand-carved, with detailed embellishments and ornate frames that showcase the artisan's mastery of the craft. Others are precision-cut with state-of-the-art technology, allowing for perfectly symmetrical designs and intricate details. Customization is another exciting feature of wooden wall clocks. Many artisans offer personalized options, allowing customers to choose the type of wood, shape, size, and even engraving details. A custom-made wooden clock can be designed to match specific home decor themes, making it a meaningful and unique addition to any space. Whether it's a family name, a special date, or a motivational phrase, a personalized wooden clock adds sentimental value to an already beautiful piece. For those who love a touch of nostalgia, vintage-style wooden clocks inspired by antique timepieces are a great choice. These designs often feature ornate carvings, distressed finishes, and classic clock hands that transport you to another era. Some models replicate old-world craftsmanship, incorporating elements like pendulums, chimes, or hand-painted numerals to enhance their vintage charm. Whether placed in a study, library, or hallway, these timeless pieces evoke a sense of history and refinement. Wooden wall clocks are not just decorative elements for homes. They also add character to offices, cafes, and boutique spaces. A handcrafted wooden clock in a cozy coffee shop, for example, creates a warm and inviting atmosphere, while a sleek wooden timepiece in a modern office adds sophistication without feeling overly industrial. Because wood is such a versatile material, it can blend seamlessly into both professional and casual environments, making wooden clocks an ideal choice for various settings. As technology advances, some wooden clocks are integrating modern features while maintaining their traditional aesthetic. Smart wooden clocks with LED displays, touch-sensitive controls, and even Bluetooth connectivity are becoming more popular. These innovative designs offer the best of both worlds, the natural beauty of wood combined with modern convenience. Some designs even incorporate weather displays, temperature readings, and ambient lighting, making them multifunctional and stylish additions to any room. The timeless appeal of wooden wall clocks. Wooden wall clocks are more than just tools for telling time. They are artistic expressions, functional decor, and reflections of skilled craftsmanship. Unlike mass-produced plastic or metal clocks, wooden clocks carry a sense of warmth, history, and authenticity. Whether they feature intricate carvings, natural wood grains, or sleek modern designs, these timepieces add a unique charm to any space. The beauty of wooden wall clocks lies in their versatility. They can seamlessly blend into various interior styles, from minimalist Scandinavian homes to rustic farmhouse settings, industrial lofts, or contemporary urban spaces. A handcrafted wooden clock can be the perfect statement piece in a living room, a soothing accent in a bedroom, or an elegant focal point in an office. No matter the setting, these clocks serve both a practical and aesthetic purpose, enhancing the atmosphere of any room. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, wooden wall clocks also promote sustainability. Many artisans use reclaimed or responsibly sourced wood to create stunning designs that are eco-friendly and long-lasting. Unlike plastic or disposable decor, a well-crafted wooden clock ages gracefully, developing a rich patina that only adds to its character over time. Choosing a wooden clock means investing in a piece of decor that remains stylish and functional for years to come. A lasting blend of functionality and art. In conclusion, wooden wall clocks are more than just timepieces. They are works of art that combine beauty, practicality, and sustainability. Whether you prefer a sleek, modern design, a rustic, handcrafted look, or a bold, geometric statement piece, there is a wooden clock to suit every taste and style. Handmade wooden clocks bring warmth, elegance, and personality to any space, transforming an ordinary wall into a gallery of creativity. By choosing a handcrafted wooden clock, you're not just adding a practical item to your home. You're embracing artistry, tradition, and timeless design. These clocks serve as daily reminders that craftsmanship matters, that natural materials have a unique beauty, and that even the simple act of checking the time can be a moment of appreciation for thoughtful design.